August.
Good.
And they're not doing any agility to see
Your right shoulder is hurting.
Don't forget to treat them on the course.
Sparky, come.
Oh! Nope. Go back.
Come.
Stomp your foot at him, Linda. That works really well.
Right here. Jump.
Which one's the right one?
Jump.
Everybody needs to stand up and do that for him. Linda thinks we should have her seen by a chiropractor and keep her jumping down until we do.
Were you at that trial? Yeah, it was years ago. God, to extend so it was...
What is she got under her right shoulder anyway? She just got a bit of...
Reba was probably there, yeah.
When the dog, I forget what breed it was, ran out of the ring to the table and grabbed a bagel.
No. I was at a trial where
came back in the ring and
where the
ran the rest of the
where the dog ran over to Mose and picked up a toy and came back.
Oh God, that's so funny.
He's doing a little shopping.
Oh, I love it. Mose wasn't there when I was running.
Oh,
I love it. We didn't have anybody. I just love when they do stuff like that. And, or they like stop and like start rolling on the grass on their back.
Oh, that was a big pump. See, I would have put a good one.
Yeah, I know.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Treat it! Woohoo! Get out the payoff! Yeah. Good job.
He's doing good now.
Yeah.
He coached more.
Oh, he said I thought you meant this.
Get back around. You're out of position now. That's it. How old is Sparky?
Here.
Like the lady with the poodle.
Just over a year.
I remember, that's a rescue dog?
He's come along.
No?
He's doing
Come.
Give him a cookie for coming. Cookie.
But I'll tell you what, there are 21 standard poodles at the...
What?
21 standard poodle puppies at the moment.